Now we are going to know about the measuring earthquakes. How can you measure the earthquake? In which by which scale or the instrument names you need to know, through which you can measure the earthquake. The earthquake events are scaled either according to the magnitude or the intensity of the shock. So the magnitude scale is known as Richter scale, and magnitude relates to the energy releases during the quake, and it's expressed in numbers 0 to 10. Now we will read what's written over there. Earthquakes are measured in terms of magnitude and intensity. Yes, just now I explained magnitude and intensity was the measurement of this. The magnitude which reflects the amount of energy released by an earthquake, it's also called the Richter scale. This scale assigns a numerical value between 0 to 10. 0 that means the least, and 10 that means the highest. In any places we cannot have the 10. That means the full world will be destroyed, with the higher numbers indicating more powerful earthquakes. So intensity on another hand is measured using the Mercalli intensity scale developed by the Italian seismologist Giuseppe Mercalli, and this scale ranges from 1 to 12 and it's based on the observable effects and damage caused by the earthquake rather than the energy it releases. That means two instruments name we have learned. Two instrument name. First one is a measurement scale and the second one is a intensity scale. The first one is Richter scale and second one is Mercalli scale. One is for measurement and another is for intensity. Remember this. And the highest and lowest is 0 to 10. These are the main points. Okay. Come to the short pointers. Magnitude. Magnitude is measured by the Richter scale. Just now we learned. Rate between 0 to 10. Intensity also ranges from 1 to 12 and Mercalli intensity scale. Who made this scale? Also it's written. And the Richter scale is a quantitative scale. That means the value is also written over there. And the Mercalli scale is a qualitative. That means it reflects on the quality, how much destroy happened, that we can consume for the Mercalli scale. Assess the impact on the structures and people. That means both the scales are different working activity. First one is Richter is quantitative, how much density we can have between 0 to 12, 0 to 10. And Mercalli scale is qualitative. Okay. Come to the next part. Example. What is written for the example? The 1994 Northridge earthquake in Los Angeles is a relevant example which measured 6.7 on the Richter scale, which indicates a high release of energy, and in terms of intensity it reached the high level of Mercalli scale also. That means in Richter scale and in Mercalli scale we have the highest measurement of the earthquake which happened in the year of 1994. Where happened? Northridge earthquake. In which place? Los Angeles. A lot of information you got. So it causes significant structural damage and widespread effects in the affected area. The earthquake exemplifies how both scales are used to assess the severity and the impact of the seismic event.